making random memes and videos with my squad. Luna,
Yeah.
Luna, I need help. I need help.
What do you want?
I need help. This sussy person said something very sussy right now. I need help because my brain cells don't exist. What should I do?
Kill them, stab them, blow them up.
Okay, bitch, can I borrow you for death?
Oh my gosh, a tsunami is coming? Yeah. This is the perfect time to start. You could die. No, that just adds the extra thrill. We need to get in the car and drive away fast. We won't be fast enough. No, I drive like Lightning McQueen down those highways. That tsunami will never catch up.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the cutest baby of them all? It's Lunar!
The thing on your right is gay.
She's trying to fuck me! What? Bring your ass back. Shit, you big bitch, move your fat ass in this ass!
Go outside.
No,
Why?
the sun is a deadly laser.
Name something you like your girlfriend to do to your face.
I'm gonna say sit on it.
Yeah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so this is Nini here, and I'm going to lick people's asses.
Hey guys, it's Just. What the fuck? Wait. What the fuck? Who the fuck are you?